In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so guys, this question is one of the easiest ACT math questions I have come across or seen. So the question says, what is the value of x to the power 5 for x equals 3? So you don't need to store any value on this calculator to do this. You don't need to register the calculator to do it as well. Alright, so since they have given you the value of x to be 3, so x to the power 5 simply means impute 3 here and raise it to the power 5. That's all guys. For x is already 3. Press enter and you will get the results or the answer. 243. So the answer is option G, 243. It's as simple as this. This is basically how you can solve this kind of problem. Alright. Though you can choose to store x as 3 and do it, but that's kind of a pattern that is not straightforward. Me, I prefer this way. Very straightforward, easy and faster. So that's it for this video. Hope there's something interesting. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on the video to tell me how you feel for what you have learned. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, so that's it for this class guys. Now click on the screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.